Through the unified consciousness of every man, woman, and child on earth, I invoke the violet flame of God's infinite perfection and the divine qualities of liberty, divine justice, freedom, and victory. These powerful gifts from the heart of our Father, Mother God will help to burst the bonds of humanity's fear-based and manipulative human egos as we clear the way for the expansion of the I Am presence within every person's heart flame. I now breathe in deeply and empty my mind of all of the thoughts of the day. I am relaxed and peaceful as I go within to the divinity of my heart. I am one with all life, and as I am lifted up, all life is being lifted up with me. I have walked through the difficult challenges in my various earthly sojourns into the glory of a new day filled with the full gathered momentum of heaven on earth. Victory is mine. Victory is mine. Victory is mine. The perfect balance of our Father, Mother God has returned to earth, and the I Am presence of every person is standing in readiness, awaiting the opportunity to take full dominion of our thoughts, words, actions, and feelings. With this inner knowing, I realize it is humanity's responsibility to become the full manifestation of our I Am presence while we are still embodied on earth. This literally means releasing our lower human egos into the light and integrating our I Am presence into our physical, etheric, mental, and emotional bodies. Daily and hourly, the light of God is increasing on earth. This is accelerating the integration of every person's I Am presence at an atomic cellular level. As this occurs, every electron, every atom, every subatomic particle and wave of humanity's earthly bodies, and all of the spaces in between the atoms and molecules of our bodies are being filled with God's light. This is a unique gift, a sacred opportunity, and it is being presented to every man, woman, and child on earth right here and right now. I contemplate this truth, and as this sacred knowledge resonates within me, I experience the flame of divinity within my heart as it expands and expands. The divine balance of love, wisdom, and power that pulsates through this threefold flame in my heart is now enveloping my four earthly bodies. Within the embrace of my heart flame, my I Am presence lovingly commands my lower human ego to release my physical, etheric, mental, and emotional bodies. Lower human ego, I am the I Am presence of your being. I love you, and I am grateful for the opportunity you have provided for growth and learning in this physical plane. But it is now time for you to release these earthly bodies and to move into the light. Lower human ego, with the divine power and love that I am, I now command you into the light. Human ego, release my physical body and return to the light. Release my physical body and return to the light. Release my physical body and return to the light. Release my etheric body and return to the light. Release my etheric body and return to the light. Release my etheric body and return to the light. Release my mental body and return to the light. Release my mental body and return to the light. Release my mental body and return to the light. Release my emotional body and return to the light. Release my emotional body and return to the light. Release my emotional body and return to the light. Lower human ego, I now love you free. Ascend into the higher schools of learning and be transformed into God's perfection. My I Am presence now steps into the full authority of my 4 earthly bodies and lifts me in energy, vibration, and consciousness into the 5th dimensional frequencies of God's infinite perfection. Here I live, move, and breathe within my I Am presence, and I clearly perceive that I am one with all life. I now know that even though my feet are planted firmly on earth, simultaneously I am one with all of the ascended realms of light. I am liberating God's light into every physical and chemical interaction within my earthly bodies, healing and restoring all of the energy bonds between atoms and within atoms to vibrant health and infinite perfection. Contained within this divine light is everything necessary to heal my earthly bodies and the entire physical realm of this precious planet. This light contains everything necessary to set straight the orbit, spin, and electronic charge of every cell, atom, and electron of life on Earth. Now within my I Am presence, I am the divine qualities of liberty, divine justice, freedom, and victory, freeing humanity and all of the energy bonds within humanity, which include the relationships and the interactions of all people, all races, all religions, all organizations, and all nations. I am liberating these interactions into the harmony of a higher order of being, thus expanding the influence of humanity's I Am presence on Earth. I know this higher reality within my heart and mind, and I am a calm ocean of these divine qualities flooding the Earth. Through my I Am presence, I am a living, light-filled temple of invincible, perfect health, eternal youth, vitality, joy, and God's infinite abundance. And I am grateful. I am grateful. I am eternally grateful to my beloved Father, Mother, God, all that is, I am, and so it is.